Hi, Dr. Saxena here, and we've been talking about what exactly is this poor health. And when we talk about this poor health, I must tell you, poor health is not really caused by bacteria, viruses, or a failing organ. Rather, poor health results from a poor cellular function that disrupts the organ activity and allow bacteria and viruses to gain the foothold. And this is a constant kind of thing. This is the inner integrity which matters. The problem is that the cells encounter obstacles that don't allow them to work as they should. And if we are conscious of this and take responsibility of supplying them with what they need, cells they survive, heal, and do their work. See, of course, the needs of the cells are very simple. They are not greedy, they are not needy, neurotic winners, something like that. Each cell wants only three things. One is the nutrients, which is food, a kind of, we talk about all organic food and all sometimes, and they need a little conversation, that is cell to cell communication, that drives the metabolic machinery. And perhaps most important stuff what the cell needs is the clean house, which is proper elimination of toxins and waste products. Cell's diet is made up of oxygen and about somewhere around 50 different nutrients. This is the kind of thing which is required for a cell functioning. Its needs are very simple, I reiterate. They are not greedy, needy, or neurotic winners. They want three things. One is the food, second one is the little conversation, there is a communication between cell to cell, and the third most important is the clean house, that is no more toxins and all that waste products kind of thing. So what is helping out here is the circulatory and the lymphatic systems remove the accumulated waste from the cells. Waste products come from the biochemical activity called metabolism that takes place inside the cell. Cell works hard and its metabolic byproducts, they doesn't like to sit in to the cell tries very hard to remove these metabolic byproducts. And in a scenario where there is a not properly circulating system or lymphatic way of taking out these byproducts via bloodstream to the kidneys or liver, then there is a process of the cells start getting these byproducts, something like pyruvic acid, lactic acids. All these toxins accumulate, and that starts the process of the disease. That is the basic stuff. But this is the point where this waste accumulates and the cell begins to poison itself. Most sick people become toxic because poisonous metabolic waste is being recycled back into the cells instead of being removed. So what you need is that proper drain and all that. If your lymphatics are clogged, if your circulatory system is not proper, you tend to get into this particular stuff. So for these reasons, we are trying to work on some of the areas called detoxification, trying to open up the channels of elimination, trying to see that all these toxins, all these waste byproducts are being metabolized properly, and if it happens in a proper way, things work phenomenally well, and your cell starts at the cellular level. Every metabolism, everything goes properly, and you don't get into issues. This is how the concept of cell metabolism, trying to see that the accumulated waste and all that are removed, and seeing that the oxygen, proper oxygenation to the cell, everything has to be in combination to achieve that perfect health. And this is what we mean by trying to work at the cellular level. Thank you.